Welcome to my comprehensive review of Propertybase, a powerful CRM tailored for the real estate industry. Today, we'll explore its features, usability, and overall impact on streamlining real estate operations. As we dive into Propertybase, the first thing you'll notice is its intuitive user interface, designed to cater to real estate professionals. Logging into the dashboard, users are greeted with a clean layout that prioritizes ease of navigation. The dashboard serves as the central hub, providing quick access to leads, listings, transactions, and reports, making it ideal for managing day-to-day operations. Point one of Propertybase standout features is its lead management system. It enables users to capture, track, and nurture leads seamlessly. The CRM integrates with popular marketing platforms, which means agents can manage email campaigns and social media leads without switching between tools. This level of integration ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. For real estate teams, Propertybase offers robust collaboration tools. Agents can share notes, assign tasks, and monitor progress within the platform. This fosters better communication and ensures that everyone stays aligned, especially during complex transactions. Another noteworthy feature is the NLS integration, which allows users to sync their listings directly with the CRM. This simplifies the process of updating listings, saving valuable time. The reporting tools are equally impressive, offering customizable dashboards that provide insights into performance metrics like sales, pipeline stages, and team efficiency. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore additional tools that might complement your CRM needs. Customization is a strong point for Propertybase. Users can tailor the system to match their workflows, whether it's automating follow-up emails, creating custom fields, or setting up personalized alerts. The platform's flexibility ensures it adapts to different business sizes and goals. Propertybase also supports mobile access, which is crucial for agents on the go. The mobile app mirrors most desktop functionalities, allowing users to stay productive from anywhere. The learning curve for the app is minimal, thanks to its user-friendly design. In terms of pricing, Propertybase offers scalable plans suitable for small teams and larger brokerages. While it's not the cheapest CRM on the market, its robust feature set justifies the investment for those looking to grow their real estate business. On the downside, some users may find the initial setup process a bit overwhelming due to the wide range of features. However, Propertybase provides excellent customer support and detailed tutorials to help users get started. Overall, Propertybase stands out as a comprehensive CRM solution for real estate professionals. Its blend of advanced features, customization options, and seamless integrations makes it a valuable tool for enhancing productivity and closing deals faster. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of tools that can elevate your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.